Okay, so let's move on to question 2. So question 2 reads, a body of mass 4 kg at rest is acted on by a resultant force which varies with times as shown in figure 2.1. Take note of this 4 kg mass. We're going to use it. Alright, so here's our figure 2.1. So the first question is define force. Define what? Force. So force is the pull or push on an object. Force is the pull or push on an object. Question B, determine the rate of change of velocity in the first 6 seconds of the motion. So when we say the rate of change of velocity, we know that we are talking about what? Acceleration. So we're going to use this formula here. Step 1, make A the subject of formula. How? By dividing M on both sides. Once you do that, you're going to have this. Step 2, substitute the values. Our 15 is coming from the graph. If you look at the graph, our motion is starting at what? 15 newtons. That's where the 15 has come from. Then over 4 is simply the mass of an object. So you simply divide 15 by 4. When you calculate step 3, you're going to get your answer as 3.75 meters per second squared. That's how you find the rate of change of velocity in the first 6 seconds. Alright, so move on to question B2. So question B2 reads, find or determine the final velocity after 6 seconds. Determine the final velocity after 6 seconds. Okay, so going to use the motion formula for velocity, which is v is equal to initial velocity plus acceleration plus or times time taken. So we know that whereby our initial, it was 0 from rest, because in the question they said it's coming from what? From rest. Our acceleration we have already found to be 3.75 meters per second squared. Alright, so for you to find the velocity in the first 6 seconds, what you need to do? Substitute the values in the formula. Once you substitute, since we know that our initial is 0, we're going to put 0 there. That's where the 0 is coming from. Then our 3.75 is simply acceleration we found in the question B1. Then 6 is the time taken, which is what? 6 seconds. Once you multiply those two, you're going to get your answer to be velocity is equal to 22.5 meters per second. Alright, to move on to question 3.